Om Shanti. Today, 12th of October 2021. Let us listen today's Murli highlights. In today's Murli, Shiva Baba is giving so much strength to his children. Baba says, "Sweet children, become Mahaveers. Instead of fighting the storms of Maya, remain unshakable and immovable. Mahaveers are never afraid of storms. That stage will be at the end. This is why it is remembered that if you want to know about supersensuous joy, ask the Gopis. You children have now found the Father, and so the mercury of your happiness should rise. Baba says you children should always remain happy. God has adopted you, and so you should have that happiness. Baba says the Father has come to make you children worthy of heaven. Children say, Baba, this body, mind and wealth are yours. You are the father and also the child. Baba says the Father surrenders himself to you children. You should make full effort to claim full inheritance from the Father and completely surrender yourself. When you make him your heir, he will give you an inheritance for 21 births. Baba says this science will be useful to you later on. Science is now causing sorrow, whereas it will give you happiness there. Baba is talking about the golden age. There will be a kingdom of Rama in the golden age. All of those Vimans etc. existed there, then they all disappeared. All of those things have now emerged again. They are now learning skills. Those who are learning these things will carry those sanskar with them, and they will then go there and build those Vimans. Baba says there is nothing to be afraid of. Perhaps at the most they will insult you. This one was also insulted a great deal. Baba is talking about Brahma Baba. He then had the intoxication of becoming the master of the world. You children know that this one has had to face a lot of uphill ever since the incorporeal father entered him. There were fights between brothers in the cities and throughout the whole of Sindh. As soon as children grew up, people wanted him to marry them off quickly. They asked, how can anything continue without getting married? Baba says there was also a great uphill over purity. The father had to face so much of upheaval. Did you ever see Baba becoming upset? There were stories in the papers as far away as America. It was nothing new. This happened exactly as it did in the previous cycle. Baba says when a couple get married, the bride is told that her husband is a guru. Okay, at that time get it in writing. Do you believe me to be your guru and your God? Okay, I am now ordering you to become pure. Courage is needed. The destination is very high. You have to show everyone how the two of you can live together. The attainment is very high. Baba says a soul is a point and the father of souls is also a point. That soul has all the knowledge. He is called the ocean of knowledge. You souls also become oceans of knowledge. The ocean of knowledge sits here and explains to you souls are living beings. You souls are now becoming oceans of knowledge. You have the knowledge of the beginning, the middle and end of the whole world. You sweet children should have courage that we have to follow Baba's Srimad. Baba says you have taken 84 births in the whole cycle, and in every birth your features were different. Baba says after a cycle you will have exactly the same form as you have now. Those same forms cannot exist at any time in between. Your features continue to change birth after birth for 84 births. No soul can receive the same features. This drama is predestined. You will have the same features as the features you have had in every one of the 84 births. Mama and Baba, they will become the Lakshmi and Narayan. The blessing of today's Murli is that may you be a conqueror of attachment and use your body for godly service, considering it to be valuable property entrusted to you. I repeat, may you be a conqueror of attachment and use your body for godly service, considering it to be a valuable property entrusted to you. When you are given something valuable to look after, you do not consider it to be yours, and you do not have attachment to it. That body is entrusted to you for godly service. This spiritual father has entrusted it to you, and so you will definitely remember this spiritual father. By considering it to be entrusted to you, there will be a spirituality and you won't have any attachment of being yours. This is an easy way to be a constant yogi and become a conqueror of attachment. So now reveal your stage of spirituality. Slogan: in order to go into this stage of retirement, underline purity in your vision and attitude. Om Shanti.